Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn on 2FA on Mint. If you don't have a Mint account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. To sign in, select your account. If you're going to use a different user, click on Use a different user ID. Next, enter your password. Then click on Continue. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Intuit Account. Then on this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Sign In and Security. Under Sign In and Security, you will see a section for two-step verification. Beside it is an option for Turn On. Click on Turn On. For verification, you will see an option for Setup. Click on Setup. Next, select whether you want to receive the code either text message or voice message. In this video, I chose to receive the code using text message. Click on the option you wish to select, then click on Continue. Once you receive the code, enter it. After entering, click on Continue. That's how you turn on 2FA on Mint. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.